The scroll navigation in Figma isn't made abundantly clear, which can leave many new users confused. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to scroll up and down, how to go left and right, and how to zoom in and out. Now, unless you want to obviously use these markers down here to go left and right and go up and down, I recommend you listen up because it's actually very easy to do. So in order to scroll up and down, all you have to do is simply use your mouse wheel. So to scroll up, simply push it away from you, and to scroll down, pull it towards you. It's quite simple. Now, when it comes to going left and right and zooming in and out, that's when most new Figma users are left confused. So in order to go left, all you have to do is hold shift and push the mouse wheel away from you. Now to go right, do the exact opposite, hold shift and roll the mouse wheel towards you. Now to zoom in, all you have to do is hold control and push the mouse wheel away from you. And to zoom out, pull it towards you. Now, if you want a full breakdown of all the instructions, here they are. Feel free to take a screenshot. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's everything you need to know when it comes to Figma's navigation. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to help.